Right answer. Ninja. Name two elements from which water is made up of. Name two elements water is made up of.
Hydrogen.
Two elements. बच्चे two elements. Right answer. Power shot. Which is the largest desert in the world?
Sahara.
Sahara. Right answer. Ninja. Which is the hottest place of Pakistan? Hottest place of Pakistan. Ethiopia. Wrong answer. बच्चे be quiet. Power shot. Which gas do we breathe in?
Oxygen.
Right answer. Ninja. What is the boiling point of water on Fahrenheit scale?
212.
Right answer. Power shot. What kind of energy do we get from the sun?
Solar energy.
Right answer. Ninja. Name some output devices. Name some output devices.
Keyboard, mouse, web camera, joystick.
बच्चे ये इनपुट है. Wrong answer. Power shot. What is the food of honeybee?
Their juice of flower.
Right answer. Ninja. What is a monitor?
It is an output device.
Right answer. Power shots. In which continent is Pakistan situated?
Asia.
Right answer. Ninja. Which animal give us wool?
Sheep and camel.
Right answer. Power shot. Name two largest deserts of Pakistan.
Thar and Cholistan.
Right answer. Ninja. What is the Quran? बच्चे what is the Quran? Right answer. Power shot. Who was the leader of Kufar in Uhud?
Abu Sufyan.
Right answer. Ninja. How do we get food? How do we get food?
We get food, plants and animals.
Right answer. Power shot. What is the speed of light?
3 lakh.
Badi lakh.
3 lakh.
Right answer. ये था. हाँ. बच्चे नेक्स्ट टाइम इंग्लिश में जवाब दीजिएगा. Ninja. What is the highest mountain?
Mount Everest.
Right answer. Power shot. Who got the first Nishan-e Haidar?
Mohammed Sawar Shaheed.
Sarwar Shaheed. Right answer. Ninja. Name the second tallest building of the world. Second tallest building of the world. दूसरे नंबर की इमारत.
अरबान
कौन सी? Wrong. Wrong answer. Power shot. What is database?
The database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be
Right answer. Ninja, who invented the telephone?
Graham Bell.
Right answer. Who presented Pakistan resolution?
क्या?
Who presented Pakistan's resolution?
फजलुल हक.
Right answer. Maulvi Fazlul Haq. What is the last month of Hijri?
Zilhaj.
Right answer. The winner team is Power Shot 12/12. Huge clapping for them.